Discuss the atomic structure based on Icsc class 7. An atom is the smallest unit of matter, the smallest particle of an element that exhibits all the properties of that element and may or may not exist independent. A central part of an atom is called the nucleus, which is small and dense in nature. The positive charge of the atom and its mass is concentrated in the nucleus. The proton, that is the positive charge particle, and neutron, that is no charge, the neutral particles, are present within the nucleus of an atom. Outside of the nucleus, the electron negative charge particles revolves around the nucleus in various fixed paths called orbits or shell. The electrons do not contribute to the mass of the atom. The number of electrons in the atom is equal to the number of protons present in its nucleus. So, the positive and negative charge cancel out, thus making the atom neutral in the nature. So, represent the structure. This is the atomic structure. Now the atomic structure. This is the nucleus. Nucleus means present in the neutron, that is no charge, and proton, that is the positive charge. And surrounding the nucleus, travel in the fixed orbit or shell. Okay. The shell or orbit are represented by the number n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, or by the letter K, L, M or N. Okay. This orbit or the shell are also known as the energy level or energy cell. Each cell can accommodate only a fixed number of electrons. K cell can hold 2 electron, L cell 8 electron, M cell 18 electron, N cell 32 electron. Okay. The outer shell of an atom is called its valence shell. The electron in the valence shell determine the chemical reactivity of an atom and are called valence electron. The valence shell can hold a maximum 8 electron. This is the nucleus. The cell K, which value n equal to 1, cell L, which value n equal to 2, cell M, which value n equal to 3, cell N, which value n equal to 4, and this is the atomic model. The formula 2n square, the maximum capacity of the electron in cell or orbit, that is the K cell 2n square. This is the formula, the maximum capacity of the electron in the cell or orbit, the formula 2n square. 2 into 1 square, this is the 1, this is the 1. Okay. So 2 into 1, that is 2. L cell 2 into 2 square, that is 2 into 4 equal to 8. Again, M cell 2n square formula 2 into 3 square, 2 into 9 equal to 8. The M cell, okay, the total capacity of electron 18. N cell formula 2n square, 2 into 4 square, that is 2 into 16 equal to 32. That is the capacity of electron in N cell 32. Okay. Summary of atomic structure. Proton, the subatomic particles present in the nucleus with a unit positive charge and mass equal to that of a hydrogen atom. Electrons. The subatomic particles with a unit negative charge and mass equal to 1 by 1837 times that of a hydrogen atom. Neutron. The subatomic particles present in the nucleus that do not have any charge, that is no charge, and have mass nearly equal to that of a proton molecule. The smallest particle of an element or a compound that exhibit all the properties of the substance and can exist independently. Valency. The combining capacity of an atom with other atoms. An atom is the smallest unit of matter. The word atom is derived from the Greek word atom, which means indivisible. The proton, electron, and neutron are the fundamental particles of an atom. The nucleus is the central part of an atom in which all the positive charge of the atom and the mass of the atom is concentrated in a small value. Ions are the atom that attain negative or positive charge due to gain or loss of the electron. The atom that donates or loses electrons attain a positive charge and is called a cation. Okay, that is positive charge. The atom that accepts or gains electron attain a negative charge and is called an ion, that is negative charge. Okay, radical is an atom or a group of atoms of different elements that behaves as a single unit and carries a positive or negative charge. Next, the elements are carried in the horizontal row called period and vertical column called group. There are 7 period and 18 groups in the periodic table. The number of cells decides the period number and the number of valence electron decide the group number in the periodic table. Okay. Now discuss the question answer. At first discuss the right T for true and F for false. Each element has a name, a unique chemical symbol to, that is T. A neutron has a mass equal to the mass of a proton, that is electron revolve around the nucleus in fixed orbit too. The valence shell can hold a maximum of 10 electron volts. Mass number is denoted by the letter Z, F false. Neutron do not have any charge to 40. Chlorine is a divalent element false. Copper exhibit variable valency 2, that is T. Cation are atoms that have a positive charge to T. In an ionic bond, two atoms share electron false, that is F. Choose the correct option from the following. Nucleus of an atom consists of neutron and proton. The right answer. Identify the triatomic element from the following. That is the correct answer, ozone. Which of the following is a divalent element? That is the correct answer, magnesium. The valency of oxygen is 2, that is the correct answer. Which of the following elements show variable valency? Nickel, this is the correct answer. Identify the negative radical from the following hydroxide, that is the correct answer. Fill in the blanks using the correct word. A substance that contains only one kind of atom is called an element. Subatomic particles with a negative charge are called electron. A element, that is the element phosphorus, is tetraatomic. An atom with a negative charge is called an anion. The elements are arranged in horizontal row called period. Now define the following term. Atomicity. The number of atoms that make up a molecule of an element is called its atomicity. That is the example, atomicity of iron is 1. Valency. The combining the capacity of an atom of an element with other atoms is known as its valency. That is, example for valency of sodium is 1. Proton. The subatomic particles present in the nucleus with a unit positive charge and mass equal to that of a hydrogen atom. Neutron. The subatomic particles present in the nucleus that do not have any charge and have mass nearly equal to that of a proton. Electron. The subatomic particles with a unit negative charge and mass equal to the 1 by 1837 times that of a hydrogen atom. Okay. Now differentiate between the following term: atom and molecule. Most fundamental and smallest part that can exist of an atom. Molecule. Two or more atoms chemically bond together. Example of atom: oxygen, that is symbol O. Example of molecule: oxygen, the formula O2. Next difference: simple radicals and compound radicals. Simple radical, zinc, sodium radical, contain only one kind of atom. These are called simple radical. Next, the carbonate and sulfate radicals contain two kinds of atom each. These are called the compound radical. The atom that donates or loses the electron attain a positive charge and is called a cation. Example: potassium ion, that is K+. Anion. The atom that accept or gain the electron attain a negative charge and is called an anion. The example: bromide ion, Br-. Protons and electrons. Subatomic particles present in the nucleus with a unit positive charge and mass equal to that of a hydrogen atom. Electrons. The subatomic particles with a unit negative charge and mass equal to 1 by 1837 1 by 1837 times that of a hydrogen atom. Some question: what is ion? What are the types of ion? And atoms that attain a negative or a positive charge as a result of loss or gain of electron is called an ion. two types of ion: cation, that is positive, anion, that is negative. Give the example: monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic, polyatomic elements. Monoatomic element aluminium, diatomic element hydrogen, triatomic element ozone, tetraatomic element phosphorus P4, polyatomic element sulfur S8. What is the valency? Give the example of monovalent, divalent, trivalent, tetravalent element. The combining capacity of an atom of an element with other atoms is known as its valency. Monovalent example chlorine, divalent oxygen, trivalent aluminium, tetravalent carbon. Okay. Define the variable valency. Give the example. Property of having different capacity of combined with different elements is called variable valency. For example, in ferrous oxide, valency of iron is +2, whereas in ferric oxide, valency of iron is +3.